How to change Instagram picture after posting. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can change your Instagram picture after posting, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to change the Instagram picture after posting it, what you have to do is, let's say there is a specific Instagram post and then you already posted it. Let's say it is just a single image and then you already posted it. You want to change the image. Well, can you do that? Well, the answer is absolutely no, because it is not possible to change it. It's like you're uploading something and you don't want Instagram, or you don't want to catfish people by thinking that you got all the likes by posting some other picture, right? That's not how it works. However, instead, if you have posted a carousel post, things are a little bit different. You can actually choose to edit this out, or you can choose to delete a specific one. But again, you cannot completely change it. You can change the positions, you can delete it, but you cannot add a new one. To do this, just tap the three dots option from the top right hand side and then just go to this option called edit. Now when you normally go to the edit option over here, so let me just come back and then let me just unpin it. First of all, when you normally just tap the three dots and then just go to the edit option here. In this case, if you'd like to delete it, you can just tap the delete option here, and you can also change the order. So let's say you delete the last photo over here, right? When I delete the last photo, what happens is that it's going to be deleted from the carousel, and if I restore it from my recycle bin, next time it is going to be moved to the top of the screen instead of the end. So this is how it actually works, but you cannot completely alter the position, you cannot completely alter the picture itself. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.